Hello children, welcome to today's e-learning class. Children, today we are going to learn about measurement. We will see how to measure things. So, first of all, we have to know what is measurement. Measurement is an act of measuring the size of an object. Measurement is an act of measuring the size of an object or anything. We can measure an object by three ways, that is length, weight and capacity. We can measure an object by its length, weight and capacity. So children, first of all we will learn how to measure length. The unit to measure length is meters. Remember, in order to measure length, the unit is meters. Length is measured in kilometer, meter and centimeter. km stands for kilometer. In order to measure far away distance, very far away or longer distance, we use kilometers. In order to measure, m stands for meter. M stands for meter. In order to measure long length, we use meters. And cm stands for centimeter. Cm stands for centimeter. And in order to measure short length, we use centimeter. So children, we need to know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Children, we will see two examples of kilometers, two examples of meters and two examples of centimeters. So, give me two examples of kilometer. Distance from Delhi to Kolkata is measured in kilometers. Or distance from Silapathar to Dhemaji can be measured in kilometer because it is very far away distance. And very far away distance are measured in kilometers. Now, example of meters. Like the length of a car. Like the height of a building. The length of a car is bigger object. The height of a building is also a very big thing. That's why it is measured in meters. Next, we will see example of centimeter. Example of centimeter is a shoestring or a shoelace because it is very small object. Or the length of a mouse. The length of a mouse is also very small. So, this thing can be measured in centimeters. Understood, students? The length of a very far away distance is measured in kilometers. And the long length is measured in meters. And very short length is measured in centimeters. Next children, we will see the relation between meter and centimeter. Relation between meter and centimeter. Convert 4 meter 32 centimeter in centimeter. We know students 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is 100 centimeter. Therefore, 4 meter will be 4 into 100 centimeter, that is 400 centimeter plus 32 centimeter. 4 meter, first of all, we will convert into centimeter. So, 4 meter will be 400 centimeter plus 32 centimeter. So, 400 centimeter plus 32 centimeter is 432 centimeter. Okay? Next, we will see how to measure weight. Children, next we will see how to measure weight. In order to measure how heavy or light an object is, we use weight measurement. I repeat, in order to measure how heavy or light an object is, we use weight measurement. Suppose, example of heavy and light. You take a brinjal and a chilli. Which one is heavy and which one is lighter? Brinjal is heavier and chilli is lighter, because brinjal have greater weight, so it is heavier, and chilli is having very small amount of weight, so it is lighter. So the unit of weight is gram. The unit of weight is gram. G stands for gram. In order to measure small amount, we take the help of gram. Kg stands for kilogram. In order to measure very large amount, we use kilogram. And we have to know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. That means 1 kg is divided equally 1000 times. Therefore, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So, we will see example of gram. We will see example of kilogram. So, students, the weight of a butter, we see in the market, the weight of a butter is 250, near about 250 gram, or the weight of a mouse, also measured in gram. And example of kilogram, you can take the weight of a person or the weight of a car, is not it? The weight of a person is measured in kilogram because it is very much heavier, or the weight of a car is also measured in kilogram. So, next we will see relation between kilogram and gram. Relation between kilogram and gram. Convert 3 kg 75 gram in gram. We know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000 gram. That is 3000 gram plus 75 gram. 3000 gram plus 75 gram will be 3075 gram. This way we can convert kg to gram. Okay. Next we will see how to measure capacity. So children, let's see how to measure capacity. We know any liquid things like water, milk, oil do not have any definite shape or size. They take the shape of a container on which they are poured into. For example, when a cold drink is packed on the bottle, it takes the shape of a bottle. But when it is poured into the glass, it takes the shape of a glass. So, liquids do not have any fixed definite shape or size of their own. So, students, remember, capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. And unit for measuring capacity is liter. Unit for measuring capacity is liter. L stands for liter. In order to measure large quantity, we use liter, where ml stands for milliliter. ml stands for milliliter. In order to measure small quantity, we use milliliter. So students, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now we will see the example of liter and milliliter. Example of liter can be capacity of swimming pool, capacity of bathtub. Swimming pool, bathtub are measured in liter, but nail polish, moisturizer bottle, doctor's syringe are measured in milliliter. You know, the capacity of swimming pool is very big. It has a very greater capacity. Bathtub also has a greater capacity. So, it is measured in liter. But nail polish, moisturizer bottle, doctor's syringe are very small objects, and the quantity level is also very minimum. So, it is measured in milliliter. Now, we will see the relation between liter and milliliter. Relation between liter and milliliter. Express 8 liter 50 milliliter in milliliter. 1 liter we know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Therefore, 8 liter will be equal to 8 into 1000 milliliter, that is 8000 milliliter plus 50 milliliter. 8000 milliliter plus 50 milliliter is 8050 milliliter. So students, today we have seen how to measure length, how to measure weight, how to measure capacity. In order to measure length, I repeat, in order to measure length, we take the help of kilometer, meter and centimeter. And 1 meter is 100 centimeter. In order to measure weight, we take gram and kilogram. And in order to measure capacity, we take liter and milliliter. And 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So I think you got the idea of how to measure weight, length and capacity. So with this, I conclude my today's session. Have a nice day.